Alright guys, so as you can see, that's my mark for top dead center there. And I have the advance marked as well. On my carb here, got my step down. I have to end up putting the stepped cam all the way down. She likes to start that way. That's just the way she is. I didn't pull the distributor cap at all. Right, I pulled the cap, but I didn't pull the plug wires. Didn't pull anything else. I started with first cylinder, moved to second cylinder, then to third and fourth. And what I had done is I took my little mirror here, I stuck it up under the engine so I could see where my valves were moving, so when they would stop rocking back and forth, I knew that I had it on that cylinder. So I'm going to start it up for you guys so you could hear what she's doing.